God bless you. I'm Pastor Dwayne Morris, and what I want to share with you today is, as I've been talking in the last few videos, is about prayer. Prayer is essential for a born-again believer to have a good relationship with God. It's not just going to church on Sunday morning, going to church on Sunday night, or even for Bible study, but prayer is something that we have to do every day of our lives. And you can't allow prayer to be like a fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher sits on the wall until it's time to be used, which in the case of usage is mostly for an emergency or to make sure that it is not outdated. So don't let your prayer life be like the fire extinguisher on the wall. Pray every day. Establish that relationship with God. Because if you begin to pray the way you're supposed to pray, it not only changes your situation, but it changes you in the midst of your situation. So therefore, when you need God, you can come boldly before the throne of grace rather than making apologies before you ask God for what you need. God bless you, and I encourage you to pray.